vigilante groups as President Paul Biya, now clothed with the dignity of President of the Republic, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, clothed with the legality and legitimacy of head of state.
Paul Biya, sur lequel on a tout dit et redit, que chacun peut voir en image pour se faire sa propre opinion.
You know something, Ibang Bojo?
Qui vient de passer un peu plus d'1h30 dans cet hémicycle, qui ressort nullement éprouvé, l'air serein, conscient de la charge qui pèse sur ses épaules et déterminé à ne surtout pas renoncer.
If we were in a law class, thank you, that's President Paul Biya saying thank you to those who have come here. If we were in a law class, we would have said res ipsa loquitur, the thing speaks for itself. So you need no explanations, in what we call in communication theory, no comment.
Et c'est d'ailleurs le directeur général de la CRCV qui le rappelait encore hier, qu'il faut montrer le président de la République. Les Camerounais veulent voir le président de la République, ils veulent le voir, il n'y a rien à cacher. On peut le voir, chacun peut le voir et mesurer son aptitude à assumer, à respecter l'ensemble des engagements qu'il a pris aujourd'hui, 6 novembre 2020.
Some Cameroonians are so polarized, they are so versatile in the sense that they will ask you that why do you see the need to explain all of that? But if you didn't explain, they will be the first to say that this has happened, but now you are giving the information, they will still be the same person to find fault.
Il y a besoin d'une crise post-électorale dont les conséquences pourraient être dramatiques, comme cela s'est vu sous d'autres cieux. Mes chers compatriotes, il est de ma responsabilité de veiller à ce que l'ordre soit maintenu. Je puis vous l'assurer, l'ordre régnera. Le Cameroun continuera d'avancer. Vive la République, vive le Cameroun.
That was the new social contract. When I think of philosophers like Thomas Hobbes, John Locke, and Jean-Jacques Rousseau, it is clear that Paul Biya has entered a new social contract with the people of Cameroon in this moment and on this day. The terms of this contract must be respected. But this social contract is closest to that of Jean-Jacques Rousseau, where individuals submit to the collective will for freedom and equality. The sovereign of the people and the government is an agent of the sovereign. One message, law and order will prevail in this country.
Monsieur le Président élu.
You say you are raising dust, and that's how it is in a country like Cameroon, diversified in nature, as the popular clamor continues with President Paul Biya and Madame Chantal Biya, who are waving frantically to the crowd of guests who were invited here this day to witness this momentous, this historic development event of historical proportions, the 8th mandate. That is a record. That is a record, Ibang Mejo, in Africa and even beyond Africa, and a record 8th mandate that President Paul Biya spent 43 years in power. Remember what he said in 2015 to the then visiting French President François Hollande, ne Dieu pas au pouvoir qui veut, mais qui paie. It is not he who wants to stay in power, but who has the ability. He who has the ability to stay in power. And that is the demonstration in his full purview, in his full glamour of the President of the Republic. And there he comes inside the Maybach, the presidential limousine, driving out majestically in full dignity, in full reverence of the Commander-in-Chief and President of the Republic of Cameroon. As I see everybody who is in front of us here waving as the President stretches his hand.
Toute l'assistance s'est levée. Le président de la République qui reste assis pour l'instant dans son véhicule. Mais rassurez-vous, tout à l'heure, il va en sortir. Il va en sortir pour l'exécution de l'hymne national. Et pour
for the final
saluer et féliciter donc
for the final
le commandant
honors.
des troupes après les derniers honneurs qui lui seront rendus. Les honneurs qui, nous l'avons déjà indiqué, sont les plus relevés à la matière.
The President Emile Mousni is driving towards where he will be accorded his final honors. The honors guard this time will be led by a more senior military officer. Upon arrival, it was led by Major Ayisi Evariste. On this departure, it will be Major General Sajo Wasuni.
Le général de brigade, donc Sajo Wasuni, commandant la 5e brigade d'infanterie motorisée.
That's correct. And of course, we have detachments of the different factions of Cameroonian, the Cameroonian army, the Presidential Guard, the land forces, the police, and the others who will be according these distinguished and deserved honors to Mr. President of the Republic. I must say this is another beautiful day in Cameroon. This is another important moment that we are living as Cameroonians, as the head of state will be driving to the Unity Palace.
Et cette musique que vous aimez bien à Choumienti, qui permet donc d'accompagner le président de la République, Paul Biya. Il est entré dans cette enceinte en qualité de président de la République élu. Il en ressort comme président de la République, président de tous les Camerounais, l'ensemble des Camerounais à qui il tend la main, qu'il invite